In this video, I will show how to allow sideload apps on Windows 11. So click on Start here, click on Start, then click on Settings. Here click on Privacy and Security. Click on For Developers. Here the option, guys, you will see Developer Mode. Install apps from any source, including loose files. So select to on this setting. And make sure turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risk or harm your device. If you are sure, click on Yes. Now close and restart your system. So this is the way, guys, you can allow sideload apps on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this method work for you or not.